Hello, welcome back. Today's hair tutorial is a simple Topsy Tail braided ponytail, perfect for spring or summer. Begin by gathering your hair in a ponytail, wherever you want it to sit, and secure. Next, about 4 fingers down, secure a second hair elastic. Use your fingers to create a hole above your elastic. You want both sides to be equal. Next, flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through that hole you created, creating a Topsy tail. Then pull on the sides of your ponytail to tighten it and make it rounder. Awesome, now repeat, securing your third elastic about 4 fingers down from your previous one, create a hole, and Topsy tail your ponytail, and don't forget to tighten it up. Repeat as many times as you like. I like the number 3, so I created one last one. Now, when finished, start at the top and gently pinch and pull pieces of hair at the top of your Topsy tails to create a more round look. To finish, I added my favorite shine drops and secured a bow to that lower elastic. I hope you found this helpful. Give it a like if you did, and thank you for watching.